And welcome to the training on how to download and install Audacity on your computer. Let's begin. You'll need to open up an internet browser. I'm going to choose Firefox for this. It could be Explorer, Chrome, or whatever. I'm going to Google. Got to go there first. And we're going to type out, or if you already know this like I do, it's Audacity team.org. So you could also type that in there. Let me fix that. So, and just click enter. Now from here, we're going to go to download Audacity. So you can do this one here, or we could go right here. And in the process is the same for downloading on these three sources. So I'm going to just click this because I'm using a Windows computer. I'm going to click on the installer and we are going to begin downloading this. File is saved and okay. All right. Okay, and you're going to get a little different thing. Maybe it'll pop up on the bottom part of your screen, but for me it's appearing on the top. So I'm going to open this real quickly. And you're going to want to click yes there. Now you're going to have these options of English, all these other languages, but for this I am speaking English, so I'm just going to keep it as is. I'm going to click OK. And welcome to Audacity Setup Wizard. This is 2.3.3 on your computer. Yak. And I'm going to click next. And this is just the licensing agreement. Click next one more time. Audacity there. That's the name of the file. You can change this around if you want. So you could go to browse, but I'm just, and I could also, yeah, but I'm just going to keep it where it is right now. So I'm going to click next. I do want to create a desktop shortcut. So there it is. And yeah, and this is just click install for that. And I'm going to click install and it's going to do its thing. So just give it a minute. Now we want to just click next. We want to launch this and we are going to click finish. Okay, and you may get some more pop-ups, but let's just see how we did. So click OK. And I'm just going to test this out. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Click the stop button. And there you go. You are on your way to recording audio samples for free on your computer. So until the next training video, stay safe, stay great, and I'll talk to you then.